Hi! Thank you for coming back. It's Sir Ivy again. Are you ready with our new lesson for today? Good job! So since you're ready, stay with this video so I can teach you. Let's go!
Right, so our lesson for today is the letter G. So ang name neto ay letter G. This is the mommy letter G and the baby letter G. And the sound of letter G is G. G.
The sound of letter G is G. G. One more time. G.
Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and read. Alright, so this is the letter G and the sound is G. What will be the sound of these two letters? Alright, so this will be G and then A. Pag pinagsama natin ang sound nila, yan ay magiging G. G, G, A. G. Alright? So, since alam mo na yung sound, pag pinagsama itong dalawa, let's read, okay? So, let's read this word. So, if this is ga, and then meron neto, ano basa dyan? Good job! Yes, that will be gas. One more time. Gas. Alright, how about this one? Yes, that is ga. And what is the sound of this? P. Alright, so let's combine all the sound together. Okay, that will be ga. P. One more time. Ga. P. How about this word? If this is ga and then this one is g, let's just combine all the sound together. Okay, that will be gag. One more time. Gag. How about nasa huli yung sound ni G? Combine lang natin yung mga sound. So, this will be ra. Good job. And then, G. Let's combine all the sound together. That will be rag. One more time. Rag. Perfect. How about this word? That will be hag. One more time. Hag. Good job. And this one, that will be tag. One more time. Tag. Perfect. All right. So our lesson for today, it's still the same. The letter G. This is the mommy letter G and the baby letter G. And the sound is G. G. Very good. So doon sa previous lesson natin, tinag-aralan natin yung mga words or nagbasa tayo ng mga words na may mga letter G in English. So ngayon naman, magbabasa tayo ng mga words na may tunog ng letter G in Tagalog. Alright, so paano natin babasahin itong word na to? Sige, unti-untiin ni Teacher Ivy, gawa natin ng ganito. Okay? Para hindi ka nalilito. Ano nga uli ang tunog pag pinagsama itong dalawa? So, unahin natin ang tunog neto. Ang tunog niyan ay G. Tapos, sasamahan natin neto, A. So, pag pinagsama sila, ang tunog ay Ga. Ga. Very good. And then, ito, pag pinagsama, ano ang tunog nila? Very good. So, that will be sa. Sa. Alright, one more time. Let's go back in here. That will be ga. Sa. So, pag pinagsama sila, ang basa natin dyan ay ga. Sa. One more time. Ga. Sa. Very good. How about this word? Alright, so unti-untiin uli natin. Balik tayo dito. So ito, pag pinagsama, ang tunog ay ga. Very good. How about this one? Ra. Alright, one more time. Ga. Tapos, sasamahan natin ito. Ra. So that will be Ga, ra. One more time. Ga, ra. Very good. How about this word? Sige, unti-untiin uli natin. Balik tayo dito. So that will be ma. One more time. Ma. Tapos, ga. Ga. So that will be maga. Ga. So, maga. Alright. About this word. Sige, simulan natin dito ha. O, unti-untiin uli natin. So, that will be ga plus na. Diba ang tunog na ito? Tapos pag pinagsama na, o isa pa. Ga, na. So, ang magiging base dyan ay ga, na. One more time. Ga, na. Very good. How about this one? Sige, unti-untiin uli natin. So, that will be, good job. Yes, that is ga. And then, how about this one? Excellent. Yes, that is la. One more time. Ga, la. So, pag pinagsama, yan ay ga, la. One more time. Ga, la. Very good. How about this one? Alam mo na dapat to. Sige na nga, unti-untiin din natin. So, that will be ga, ta. One more time. Ta. So, that will be ga, ta. One more time. Ga, ta. So, this one will be ga, ta. Ga, ta. Very good. How about this? Sige, unti-untiin din natin. So, that will be, good job. Yes, that is la. And then, ga. One more time. La, ga. So, pag pinagsama yan, that will be la, ga. One more time. La, ga. Alright. And this word will be sa. One more time. Sa. And then, ga. So, pag pinagsama yan, that will be sa, ga. Isa pa. Sa, ga. And this one, that will be na. Di ba ang tunog na ito? O, pagsamahin natin, na. Tapos, ga. That will be na, ga. One more time. Na, ga. Good job.
Wow! You already know how to read. Let's clap our hands. So, until next video, okay? Bye for now.